guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys another phone theme. Like I had mentioned before in my other video, I have collected a few phone themes. This is a phone theme that I found that is not free, but I will be posting free ones. I just really liked it and I wanted to share it with you guys because I feel like it also matches with the phone case and just like really glittery girly vibes. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just get this video started.
Okay, so starting off here is the phone theme. It is the little twin stars, and this is how the always on display looks. Since I don't have that, I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so here it is on my phone. It's so cute and lovely. I love the way that it looks. Little twin stars are definitely my top favorite characters from Sanrio, so I really enjoyed this one. This wallpaper pretty much has the little twin stars in the background with clouds, and then the icons here are also little twin star themed. They're on a pink cloud. It's super pink and blue and pastel and girly. I absolutely love the way that it looks and all of the icons as well. I think just because the icons are also part of this like theme, it's justifiable for paying money for this theme. So here are the icons. There are a lot of other icons here available. So here are just super cute pastel colors. I like the way that they go really well with the theme. And now I'm going to share with you guys just how it looks like, a little bit of each of the icon apps. So pretty much calculator, calendar, they're all part of the same theme, so they will be just the same colors. And then as for the messaging, this is how the messaging looks like. So the messaging is super cute. It just has the same background as well, and then it also has just the same colors for the messaging and for the keyboard. The keyboard is super cute, as well as the phone call. It has the image as well, and then just like the same colors in pastel. And then as for the lock screen, it is the little twin stars wallpaper image. So there are super cute little stars and rainbows and clouds, teddy bears, the little twin stars with teddy bears. It's a lavender color, so I feel like it goes really well with my phone case. I really love this phone theme wallpaper. It's so cute, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. I know this one is not free, but I will be doing some more phone themes. Stay tuned for that. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!